In our last video, the data we downloaded from the International Monetary Fund were not in the right order for econometric analysis. We need to clean and pre-process them for a meaningful econometric analysis. In this video, we are going to show you how to clean the data and prepare them for meaningful econometric analysis. So we are going to show you how to arrange this data in separate sheets of annual, quarterly, and monthly sheets. That is a sheet for annual data, another sheet for quarterly data, and another sheet for monthly data. To do that, we click on any cell within the data, Ctrl A to highlight all, Ctrl C to copy. We click on this icon to add a sheet. We right click, go to paste options. We choose this little icon to transpose the data. Let us rename the sheet to transposed. Now that the data has been transposed, we can delete the rows that we don't need. The first 3 rows are not required. Let us delete them. Then we can change the variable's name. Since this is column for the date, we can change it to date. We can also rename this column to any unique variable name. For example, var1. The second one, var2, variable 2. The third one is variable 3, variable 4, variable 5, variable 6. After this, we go to menu, sort and filter. Filter, we go back to our data. We filter the date by some criteria in order to choose the annual data. We go to text filter. We choose does not contain Q. We choose another criterion. We scroll down to does not contain M. By this, we are saying that Excel should exclude any date that contains Q, that is the quarterly indicator, and any date that contains M, that is the monthly indicator. We click OK. If we check our new data, we'll see that none of these data contain M or Q. That is, we don't have monthly data and we don't have quarterly data. Then we click on anywhere on the data. Then Ctrl A to highlight or Ctrl C to copy. Then we create another sheet and paste our annual data. We can rename the new sheet to annual series. We now have a new sheet for the annual series. If you want to create another sheet for the quarterly series, we go back to our transposed sheet. Then we filter the date by another criterion. Since we are trying to filter for the quarterly data, we should only include date that contains Q, that is the quarterly series. Then the criteria we are going to choose is contains. We are only looking for the date that contains Q. We click OK. Our new data contains only date with Q indicator, that is only quarterly series of the variables. Ctrl A to highlight all, Ctrl C to copy all. We add another sheet, we paste. We can rename the new sheet to quarterly series. If you want to sort the monthly data, we also go back to transpose sheet. Since we want only the monthly data, we choose another criterion that contains only M. We write M here, meaning that we only need data that contains M, that is the monthly series. We click OK. We now have only series of dates containing M. Ctrl A to highlight and Ctrl C to copy. Then we create another sheet. Ctrl V to paste. We now have the monthly series. We can rename the sheet to monthly series. We now have our data in time series format for monthly series, quarterly series, and annual series. The process in this video is very tedious, time consuming, and error prone. For this reason, we are going to show you how to automate this process using VBA. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications and can be used to write programs for the Windows operating system. It also runs as an internal programming language in Microsoft applications, including Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and so on. Please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. Thank you for your time. We welcome any comments that can improve the services of Smarty Academy. Remember that together we can do anything. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on.